is week 54 of renovations here at the Belfast Community Co-op. As you can see from what's going on behind me, we are building shelves in the new retail area. So we'll be doing this over the weekend and into next week, opening some more things up so I can walk through and show you the progress that we've made in this past week. Some paint went on some walls, which was exciting. And yeah, then we'll talk about what's coming up in the next week. So behind the temp wall, moving into our retail sales floor, we're building shelving here. So we've been working on this all morning. We continue towards the back. Our 9-door freezer is in its permanent home, and Main Painting Co. did some painting on that back wall. You'll come up a little ramp here. And there'll be, this is staff area, but this will be the entrance into our produce walk-in and our produce prep area. So the slab has been cut and walls are going to start going up in here this coming week. Yeah. So we just wrapped our first full day of putting the new shelves in their permanent locations. And everybody's pretty tired, but we got a lot done. And yeah, we're going to keep plugging away at it over the next few days. This coming week, construction will continue, but a handful of workers and a handful of members of our board of directors will be traveling down to Portland, Maine for the Consumer Cooperative Management Association annual conference. That's a pretty big deal that it's coming to Maine, so we're all really excited to go. We'll be doing a presentation on co-op identity and who are we anyway, which will be really fun to do, and yeah, we're all really excited to be celebrating. Yeah, and then back to business as usual. And I will see you in the aisles.